Back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a flashing frame effect on CapCut app. This is the newest effect on CapCut. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut and click a new project. Click new project and add the video that you want to edit. This one. Click add at the bottom. Now I will show you this is the original video like this, but in here I wanna add flashing frame effect on this video, so you can just click on the effect at the bottom, this one, click on it, and then click a video effect, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see on party, this one. Click on it, and then in here you can see a flashing frame, this one. This is the newest effect on CapCut, so just click on it and click check icon. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video, and then in here you can adjust the effect, so just click on the adjust at the bottom, this one, click on it, and then you can adjust for the speed like this, and then you can adjust for the filter. After this you can click check icon at the bottom. Finish. So that's how to add a flashing frame effect on CapCut. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.